staff page, go to Manage Website, Add or Edit a Website Page. Click on the blue plus on the page that you want to use as a staff page. And then you're going to select Additional Options, scroll down and click this button to create the staff page. You can see now it's asking me to add a heading, so I'm going to click Add Heading, click here to edit, and then just pop a heading in. You can obviously just use whatever you want to use here. Once you've put your heading in, you're going to select the green plus here to start adding members of staff under this individual heading. You'll then see at the moment it says Carla. If I click onto her name, I'll get a drop down of all different members of staff, and then click on the green tick once you're happy. Once it's been inputted, if you want to change it or delete it for any reason, just double click the name and it'll bring up that drop down again, and you can just select another member of staff. You can also delete it by just selecting the orange cross here. To add further headings, you're just going to click Add a Heading here, double click again, pop a heading in, do the same again, select the members of staff, and then once you're happy with your layout, you're going to click Save All Details at the bottom here. Now I've just gone to my team page, and you can see now that my headings are popped up here, and then the members of staff that have been associated to that heading are underneath. You'll see here that it's got a little bit of information. This information in this box is pulled from the brief description area within the staff member, and this little icon here is pulled from the image area within the staff area, and the same again for Carla underneath. Now, to edit these individual items, I will pop a link for a video on how they can change individual information, and that will show you how to pull that information onto here.